Te Wharekura is inspired by the name Te Wharekura Manu Kapua, which was the whare that was built on the first arrival of our ancestors on Mahuhu ki te rangi into the Kaipara Harbour, and it housed the taonga that they brought from Hawaii.
That's what's really unique about Te Wharekura, is that it's in the heart of the city, and we're bringing cultural and environmental messages, available for all Aucklanders and visitors.
It's the entry into the harbour, a wonderful spot to tell the stories about the environment and to tell the story about the culture and the history of this place.
The importance for us was to make sure people felt compelled and wanted to take action to preserve and regenerate the environment.
For the iwi, for our uri or tupiriri, e Ngāti Whātua Rākei to come in and have a place to learn about our kōrero, but also for everyone here in Tāmaki Makaurau. This is just another opportunity for us to tell our stories so that they never fade away.